Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to upload default description on your YouTube channel. So firstly, log in your YouTube channel dashboard, then click on settings. Here you will see option upload defaults. Click on it. You can add a title that describes your video and tell viewers about your video. And also guys, you can add default tags. So to add default description, type here. So type your description here, then just click on save. That's it. So this is the way guys you can upload default description on your YouTube channel's video. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.